Creating a holiday calendar is an essential task for an HR manager in every organization. These holidays are generally declared on a calendar year basis. Using greytHR, you can create different holiday lists for other locations if your organization is geographically distributed across state or countries. Navigate to the holiday list page from the Leave Setup section to get started. Currently, there are no holidays defined for this year. To add a new holiday to the list, click on the button Add Holidays. You can always enter the holiday details on this page manually or copy and paste the data to columns from a spreadsheet. Type your occasion here. Select the date. System will capture the day automatically, so you can leave this blank. You need to now define this holiday is a restricted holiday or not by selecting yes or no. Click on Save. The holiday is added successfully. Similarly, follow the same procedure to add the remaining holidays to the list. With that, we come to an end. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.